In general, if you find yourself not using a module, particularly a contributed module, it makes sense to disable it. Every module has some kind of footprint when it comes to your site. Sometimes it can make a big performance difference to disable unused modules. Also, it makes sense to actually remove any modules that you're not using as well. That is, completely uninstall them or take them out of the modules directory. And there's a couple reasons for that. One is that by the time you get around to needing that module again, it may have undergone several improvements, and it will make sense to install it fresh instead of using an older version. And secondly, the Update Manager module doesn't check uninstalled modules for security issues, but sometimes they can have them and they can be exploited even if the module is not installed. So what we should do here is completely remove the CAPTCHA and reCAPTCHA modules from our site. So let's go to the base directory of our Drupal site and let's expand the modules folder, and we'll select CAPTCHA and reCAPTCHA and delete those. I'm going to go back to the site.